Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. You're not lost, you're on the right channel. So on this channel, we do share DIY, how you can make your own skin products at home for flawless skin, like without any toxic ingredients, how to live a healthy lifestyle, also share Christ-like lifestyle. Yes. So if you're struggling to live a victorious life, all this info is on this channel. Yes. 89 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. We're trying to grow this channel and to post more informative videos for you. So on this channel, we upload videos every day. So make sure that you check out for videos every day. So if you're new on my channel, consider subscribing. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can pre-poo your natural hair using 3 types of onion oil. Like on this channel, I had posted a video on 3 ways on how you make onion oil. So now we are going to combine all the 3 types of making onion oil, like to pre-poo our hair. Yes, so like it's a powerful oil, like which will grow your hair, remedy thinning hair, alopecia, falling hair, breakage, a lot. So onion is so powerful. It has a lot of sulfur in it and a lot of nutrients which can boost your natural hair. So like if you've been on this channel, like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles, I do low manipulation hairstyles which do not pull on our edges, and I put on a protective low manipulation hairstyle, like once I keep it once a week, and then I undo once the 1 week is over, and then we proceed with our routine. So as you can see, like our hairstyle is not looking nice. It's about time to undo this hairstyle and continue our routine. Yes, so actually I'm so happy. You know what, friends, our challenge onion juice and fermented rice water is coming to an end on the 1st of November. So like I'm going to share with you the experience, the disadvantages, advantages. Was it positive or what? All this info, like I'm going to post it on the video that we are going to do. So make sure that you look out for that video. I know that we've been suggesting different kinds of videos which we can do. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about that. I'm definitely going to honor your suggestion. Yes, so don't worry about it. Yes. These are the products that we are going to use. We are going to use 3 methods of oils which we extracted from onion. You can check the video out, or I'll link it in the description below so that you can check it. And we're also going to use warm water and an applicator bottle, as you can see. So this is very important. Yes, and you have to make sure that you put after putting your oil in an applicator bottle or whatever bottle you're using, you have to make sure that you immerse it in hot water. So now we are getting our funnel and we are pouring in our oils. So the first method, I used heat. Like it's very potent. The smell is so strong. It's really going to work well for our hair. Like I embarked on using onion oil and onion juice to remedy breakage and thinning hair, and it's really working well. Yes, one day I'm going to give an update. We are adding in our second oil. So that oil was extracted using cold pressed. Yes, cold pressed. I really love cold pressed. And the other method, the third one, we used the sun. Like we had dried our onions in the sun. You can check the video out. So like it's a powerful oil. So this is how our oil looks like, a combination of 3 onion oils. Yes, I'm super excited. Yes, so we are getting our bottle and we are immersing it in hot water. So we are just using a beaker because it will heat more and more. The water won't get cold as soon as possible. So that's the reason why I love beakers. So you have to make sure that you leave it in for at least a few minutes so that it's warm. So now it's ready. As you can see, it's warm and our water is still warm. Yes, this is important. We don't have to skip this step because the oil has to be a bit warm. So now we are undoing this protective hairstyle which we had in for 1 week. Like my routine is weekly because of the challenge which we are in, which will be coming to an end on 1st November. Then we'll get back to our 2 weeks routine. So like I've done quite a number of videos on onion. You have to check them out, like they're so informative. So onion oil is an infused oil extracted from onion. It's rich in sulfur, amino acids, keratin, vitamin, iron, and potassium. All these nutrients present in onion can help prevent breakage, thinning of hair, alopecia, snatched ends, whatever challenge you're having. Make sure that you try out onion because it's just too powerful. So onion oil provides your hair with healthy and a shiny look. It conditions and nourishes your scalp as well. So once we are done, like I'm doing our protective hair, so I like massaging my scalp because it comes in very handy and it promotes blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So like if you've been on this channel, you know that I really love massaging my scalp. So like I do it when I'm shampooing, when I'm doing a hot oil treatment, when I'm doing a pre-poo shampoo. Yes. So I do it for at least 2 minutes. And you can check other videos which we have done, or I'll link them in the description box below on how to stimulate your scalp for hair growth. Yeah, so now we are getting our oil and it's warm. So you can apply the oil to your scalp and your hair and make sure that your bottle is tightly closed so that your oil doesn't spill. We don't want that disaster. Yes, so make sure that you apply it on your scalp, massage it in, and make sure that you apply it to your ends of the hair as well. And then massage it in. And you have to make sure that you leave your oil in for hours. It's very important to leave them for hours so that they penetrate, so that they work miracles. But usually personally, I do it overnight. Yes, I do it overnight. Yes, so it's up to you. Yes, we have different preferences and our schedule, our time, our lifestyle. So all that will depend on your schedule. And you have to make sure that once you apply your onion oil, make sure that you rinse with a good mild shampoo. You can even add essential oils like lavender, peppermint, tea tree, bergamot, a lot of them, like jasmine, different, just to to prevent the smell of onion oil to linger, because it can linger on like for days, and we don't want that. We don't want to be embarrassed when we go for work or wherever we go, for shopping, for church. Yes, so that's very important. And you don't have to use onion oil as sealing the moisture. I don't use onion to seal in the moisture. I only use it for pre-poo hot oil treatment. So like we were heavy-handed, dear friends. Like I poured in a lot, and look at that, it's dripping all over our face. Yes. So like I'll continue applying it in sections and massaging it in. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. Yes, I really appreciate you, friends, for your support. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. dear friends, like now we are done and the oil kept on dripping. That is how much oil is left, but of course, like we didn't use much because it was at us. Now like it's dripping, we're just wiping it off. Yes, and it got in my eye and I had to rinse it with water. So now we're getting a plastic bag. This is very important, like you need to put on a plastic bag or a plastic cup for the oil to work well and for the hair not to get dry. And I really love plastic bags and like plastic cups because they don't last. So plastic bags come in very handy. Yes, look at that, so beautiful and perfect, right? Yes, so now you have to make sure that you put on a scarf, some kind of a scarf or whatever your preference. Yes, and make sure that you cover well with whatever material you are using or a wrapper. And I love like tying my scarf in a good way, presentable, it's on fleek. I just love that. Yes. Yes, dear friends, so like who can know that there is a plastic under there? No one. Yes, you can even go for shopping, you can go wherever you want to go. Yes, but I feel like onion oil is not very much potent like onion juice. That's just my my take on that. Yes, because I have been using onion oil and onion juice for close to a year now. Yes, so like onion juice is very potent and like onion oil, but of course it also smells, so you can actually determine whether to go somewhere or not. Yes, so like this scarf is coming out, it just needs to behave. Yes, we don't want like to look scruffy kind of. Yes, so like that is how much oil is left from the 3 oils that we use. Like we still have a lot, and like it will take me quite some months for me to make onion oil because we have it in bulk. So we'll just be getting and using it. Yes, so I can check out the videos on 3 ways on how to make onion oil. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.